Hi, I'm Brendan, one of the co-founders of the LuxuryPergola.com. We are out here in St. George, Utah. One of our customers, Jim, bought one of our units, and I'm out here to help him install it. What you're gonna see is from the beginning where we unload the truck all the way to the end where we've installed it and we're sitting under it, talking about the whole process. So if you're looking to purchase a luxury pergola, hopefully this will give you all the information you need, and you can see all the boxes that we've already unloaded right here. I'm gonna change into something a little bit nicer for working outside, and then we'll get started. Look forward to showing you guys. Thanks.
Right.
So this is what you can expect when you get your pergola. You're gonna have a lot of boxes. Jim, how do you plan to deal with all these boxes?
Recycle. So, okay, do we feed it through now or
No.
after it gets on the...
After we put it on the post base,
Okay.
so you can feed it through both holes.
I see, okay.
So the hole is, it needs to be facing back.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the back side.
Big screws, number L, or letter L. These are L as well.
Okay, so put all of them in?
Sorry?
All of them?
Yep. All except where the electrical hole is.
Ready?
Yep.
So go ahead and take some more black. How many you need? Was it halfway down or more than like 2/3 way down?
Halfway.
You gotta put the back side in.
Looks pretty nice.
Oh, yeah, well.
That sounds good.
Wait, so is this it? Is this
We're
done?
done.
What?
Woohoo!
That is really cool.
Wow.
That is really cool.